What's up, guys, and welcome back to NCH Software Academy. And today we are back again with another video. And right now we will be focusing on the clouds. As I mentioned before, I'll be focusing on the cloud on this one. So creating clouds is not something which is very hard. It's just like doing what we did, but just doing it on the form of the clouds, you know. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I will do, I love to use custom shapes, guys. I really love to use custom shapes. I'll just zoom it a little bit. Click here, click here, click there. Just make sure like you're just creating like a shape of the clouds. See what I did there. One. So we can create the second one. Control Z. So before you create the second cloud, guys, you gotta make sure like you're done with this one. Then just make sure you are not selecting this one. Then you can just click here to create the second cloud. So we will be creating only two clouds. This one I want it to be a little bit small. I want it to be a little bit small. Okay, let me just create like the last one just to make it a little bit interesting. Just a little bit interesting. Okay, I'm done. Then what I will be doing, I just select here. Obviously I gotta zoom in. Just make sure I'm using this. Just zoom in, just wait for the hand to appear there. You select like that thing. I'll just leave it like this. Then I'll just focus here. Why does that show up? Wait for it until it's done loading. Just click there. Remove a control point. Click here. Just set a control point, so that it can be like that. Let me do the same on this one. You guys, you can take your time just to make sure it is what it is exactly what you want to be. I'll show you another thing, guys. Okay, and let me wait for it until it's done. So if you can notice here, there's already like a control point in this area. Wait for it until it's downloading. So there's already a control point there. So what I can do, if like I don't want to say remove, because I just remove, what I usually do, I just remove and I re-edit, just do it like this so that it can be smooth. Just as I mentioned like on the previous class, you just have to take this and make it long, and you can just keep doing it like this, and you'll find like exactly what you want like your class to look like. So I will do the same even on those one. Just select it once. Okay, it's loading and it may take some time. Okay, wait for it until it's done loading. I don't know why it takes so much time, just to be honest with you guys, when it's loading, because to me like it usually don't do this. Okay, in my home language, something which when you are alone is on a good mood, but when it see people it's that disappointing you, we call it that's how we call it. So this is exactly that. Okay, just click option and you just click there just to make it a little bit smooth. Then you come close here. You wait for it until that hand appear. Click option, you set it again, how okay, I won't do a lot on that side, it's not that sharp. Let me just leave also this one, the first one, then I'll just click on the first one, then I'll just rename it cloud 1. Go to the second one, click option, rename it cloud 2, cloud 2. And then the third one, the third cloud. So we can go straight to the third one, click here, you change fill, we click on that black rectangle to change the color, then this bar will appear. Then we, for our clouds, how do you want our clouds to look like? We want our clouds to have a little bit of that whitish color on it, that little bit of a bluish. So what we can do, you can just click there, we can click Control C, click Control V. You already know what we did here, we just copied this cloud, so we just drag it and put it on top. The cloud is similar to the colors of our windows, so I think we gotta change our colors of the windows as time goes by. Let's go to the second clouds, click option, click change. So oh my god, so we have two clouds, three. So let me select this one, let me just rename it the fourth cloud. That's okay, let me just change try to change the color. I think that is much better. Just click option and click on that triangle, just click this, then click straight to that cloud to get that same exact color. Then you can do the same even here, change, like what we have to do, just put it a little bit that far, just change it like that. Go to the first cloud, we do the same thing. Okay, we are done with our clouds. So after we created our clouds, another thing that I would love to create is the background. So how do I create the background? I click on that's okay. Before I go there, I would like to just take my clouds, just take the first cloud and you put it straight on top. Then you take this cloud and you put it on top of that cloud, on top of the first cloud, so that no, the cloud is not the body, the cloud is not the body, so we don't have to put it under the fly body. Guys, I made a mistake. You don't put the clouds under the fly body because your clouds is a different thing. Your clouds don't have to move like your flight, so we won't be putting them under the flight, under the aeroplane, the fly. The clouds will have their own kind of a parent, so I can take this, I put it on cloud 1. That's what I will be doing. So when I'm moving my first cloud, everything's moving. When I come here, then I move this, everything must move like that. So my cloud will move the same way at the same time, but not my, they cannot move with my without my, they cannot move with my flight, with my aeroplane. Okay, that's what we have created so far. So now I want to change the background, so you just click here, you go straight to your background. I would love to see it, just push this a little bit sideways. No background, that means it will be white, so I want my background. So we just click here, I just want my background to be a little bit bluish, I don't want it to be white, exactly white. I want it to be a little bit bluish. That's exactly what I wanted it to look like. So now I will have to take this, then I'll just zoom. I'll just zoom like this. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to create a little bit of a building here, um, just like that. I just create another building there. um, just create another building just like that. So you'll be doing the same thing over and over again. Can you just click Ctrl C, so we can drag this and put it here. Ctrl C V, just to put this there, so we don't draw the same thing over and over again. um, Someone will ask, what are you doing? So I'll explain after I'm done doing it. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? We don't understand now. You just, so what I'm trying to do, those are the buildings. I hope you do understand. Those are the buildings of the town. Those are the building of the towns. So what we have to do right now, obviously, like there are a lot of things that we have to do. Number one, we gotta change the color of each and every shape. So we click there, you click here. I think I gotta move fast on this one, guys. Just click here. Did I delete anything? Okay, thanks God. Just click here, just click there. You change the color to, do I have to, by the way, do I have to, okay, I don't think so. I do have to do that. But what I can do, okay, let me just take this first one, then I put it straight to shape one. This one, shape one. Everything I put it under shape one. Put everything under shape one. Okay, then you come here, you can just double click like shape one, then you can write like BCK building. So this is simply means this simply means like the building of yours. Control V. So I just decided to put another building there. So just look what I'm about to do. So just change, go there, change color, and then now I'm just changing it a little bit grayish. They see what I did there. Control C, Control V. Just do the same thing over there. Here I'm just trying to make something like just take this one, put it here. I think it will fit around here. Control C, Control V. It will fit around here. Just do it like that. Control C, Control V. Just drag it like that and put it around this area. Then you make it a little bit. Then Control C, Control V. You hold it. You go put it straight there. You Control C, Control V. So if you really thought like making cartoon was easy, sorry guys, it's not easy at all. It just trying to Control C, Control V. Guys, I wish you understand what I'm trying to do. Control C, Control V. So I'm just trying to draw like a second layer of like the buildings. That's what I'm doing. Just trying to draw the second layer of the buildings. Okay. um, okay, let me just take this one and put it there. Take this one and put it straight there. So I'll have to change the name. Guys, just make sure like you name like your project a little bit correctly. That is very important. That is very important. So not like what I did. Just just double click. I showed you. I'll just click here. Then I'll just write like let me just write gray so that I can understand. So now I have like a gray. This is what I have so far. This is what I have so far. So I think this is all for this class. I will see you on the third class, and the third class I believe it is the class you guys you've been waiting for, like to animate this just to make it move. I believe that's what you guys you've been waiting for, and that's exactly what I will be doing. That's exactly what I will be doing on the next class. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next class.